4 digital key storage lockbox, 4 plus expansion, 4 plus key, 1 plus key password box. Made of zinc alloy and heavy dual steel, very hard and durable. Large capacity, 5 keys can be put in. One, put the reset lever to position B. 2, set the password as you like. 3, push the reset lever to position A. 1. Join nail L line. 2. Drilling holes. 3. Nail into expanded coil. 4. Install the box by screws. Waterproof and anti-rust. Very hard and durable. The anti-theft effect is very good. Wall mounted. Key use indoors and outdoors.